tea party!
And tea party. And tea party.
Yay!
I'm going to open this another present. I think it's going to be a bird.
I think you're right.
What is it?
It's Winnie the Pooh book.
Do you
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Do you like Winnie the Pooh?
Yes, I do like it. Yeah, I do like Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, good.
But I'm going to open another present.
Okay.
It's going to be another present.
Just keep it.
Oh, I love presents. I love presents. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
What's this one?
Look, it's Lala Lipsy. Can you open these Lala Lipsies?
Do you think you'd like to play with them?
Yes, please. It's free. It's Hattie. Rough hair towel. It's free. Rough hair boots and her hands.
It is. It's Bee spells a lot.
It's pillow feather bed.
It is.
Rough hair pig. It's mixed stuffings.
Duff.